Hi guys, welcome to my Temu horror. My name is Cynthia if this is your first time seeing me. Anyways, Temu has been on my face for the longest time. If I look left, Temu, right, Temu. So I finally had the courage to shop from Temu for the very first time. Like this is going to be my first Temu horror and I shopped for some very few things. We're going to be checking out the quality, the size, if what they're actually saying is true on the site. You know, when they post the picture, we're going to compare it. Do you understand? Compare and contrast, right? Let me put this mic right here because this is like my favorite part. I have already opened it, so it's way easier for us to check it out. All right, so the first thing we have here is this very cute, adorable baby plate. I mean, just look at that. Look at that. It's just so cute with the ears and everything. I got this for my baby, my son. I'm gonna be leaving here what the picture looks like on the site when I was ordering it. So this is what the picture looks like, and I'm going to be comparing and contrasting. Like, what is the difference? Is there really a difference? I would say that for this plate, I was actually thinking it was slightly bigger, but looking at it, like in reality, it's smaller, a bit smaller, but no much difference like that. But it's still perfect, it's still fine, it can still contain. You know what, let me just open it. This is what the plate is giving. So this is what the plate is giving. It has a spoon and a fork. Yes, and it's so cute. Honestly, it's cute. There's no much difference from this and the picture over here. So this was a good buy. So I'm gonna be rating this an 8 only because I thought it was going to be bigger, though the size is very okay. It is nice, the quality is nice, and the whole ceramic design going on here. So 8/10. And the next thing we have here is some hair bands. I already wore one today since I went out earlier today, and honestly, it's one of the cutest little hairband ever. So I'm gonna be leaving the picture here, and this I'm going to rate it 10/10 because the quality, the size, everything is just on point. Just what I saw on the picture on the site there, that is what I got. So what I ordered for was what I got. So everything is perfect and I love it. Right, so what do we have here? Okay, this has to be one of the cutest little handbag ever, because when I saw it I was like, okay, it looks so cute when I saw it on the site, and I was kind of doubting, like, is it going to come out, like, am I going to get it looking the same way? I really doubted it, but let's see. I haven't really opened this one up. Okay, it's supposed to have a handle. Okay guys, look at this. Look at this. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. The quality is amazing. Amazing. I mean, I never expected Temu to keep up to quality like this, but this is so cute. This what? And I don't know if this is going to wash off, but it doesn't look like something is gonna wash. It doesn't look like something is gonna wash off, but I don't know. This is just so lovely. I love this. I'm gonna give this a 10/10. I love it. Thank you, Temu. Thank you. The quality is all right. My bag is almost empty. I have this cute little durac I got for my husband because I was just like, I saw it and I'm like, this will look cute on him, so I got it. I'm gonna leave the picture here what it looks like. Yeah, I just got one for him because I want to see him wear it. It will make him look like a gangster, and I love a bit of gangster rap. So everything in this bag was worth the money. Now we're going to my most special how do I put it? So this is my most special package. Honestly, I ordered two gowns, and when I was buying this gown, I was like, I don't know. I was so confused because is medium my size now? Because I think I added a bit of weight. Am I is my size medium or large or whatever? So I was so skeptical about the size, if the material is going to come out looking the same way, if it's going to be what I ordered for. I was so scared. But let's see what it looks like, what it's given. Oh, I'm not showing you guys. Okay, so this is a green dress. I'm going to leave the picture here. The material, oh my god, the material is giving chiffon, it's giving quality. It's giving quality at its peak. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at this. Look at this gown. Look at this gown. I know you would love to see this on my body, but not today. I'm just rating it. Today is just all about rating the outfit. If it's actually, oh my goodness, this is lovely. Oh my goodness, period. This is lovely. I love this. The material is giving chiffon, it's giving quality, it's giving, yes, I paid and I got what I paid for. So thank you, Temu. This is lovely. I love the gown, like the material. I love chiffon materials, and this is just on point. I haven't tested it, so I'm not gonna rate it in this video, but let's rate it according to the material and the size, because I think this is gonna be a perfect size. I'm gonna give it an 8 over 10, just because I haven't tested it on my body, and you guys are gonna see it very soon. Okay, I'm gonna do a haul, like a coat haul, shopping haul, whatever they call it. But this is lovely. So on to the second. Let me keep this here. Please, baby, stay here, don't get rumpled. Okay, so the next one, the next outfit I got was this lovely, as you can see, medium. This gown. The next outfit is this lovely gown that I got from Temu. Let's see. Guys, I love a good shopping. Honestly, I love a good shopping when you pay for something and oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. The material is given, everything is just given. Guys, look at this gown, look at this. I'm sure you cannot really, like, it's a very long gown, like a massive long red gown. This is what it looks like. This is going to look so cute on me, and I cannot even wait to start trying it out. Guys, this is literally all I got from Temu, and honestly, to tell you the truth, I haven't worn this gown, but I already know that it's gonna look perfect on me, and you guys are gonna see it. I'm gonna wear it one of these days and just show you all how beautiful it looks on me. We're gonna do that haul. Okay, remind me if I forget, hold me accountable. These things I got from Temu are just so lovely. I do not regret buying it. I love every bit of them. What I ordered for was what I got, and I appreciate the honesty in size, in quality, and in everything. So guys, everything I got from Temu was it was lovely. I'm gonna be leaving my code on the screen of this video. If you want to shop items for free on Temu, or if you want massive gifts, make use of my code. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like more of those kinds of videos, haul, shopping hauls and all of that, then I'll take you guys along with me. All right guys, thanks for keeping up with me. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.